Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to boot your Windows 11 computer into a command line window. And maybe you don't want to just go into a desktop with networking, you just want to go right to a command line. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do just that. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. Underneath Choose an Option, select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options again. Underneath Advanced Options, go ahead and just select Command Prompt. Use the Command Prompt for Advanced Troubleshooting. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. When you're done in here, you can just type Exit, or you can click the little red X at the top to exit out of here, and just continue back to Windows. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.